In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Trello board. Whether you're looking to duplicate a board for a new project or want to build on an existing template, this process is straightforward and simple. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by navigating to Trello.com. This is your starting point for accessing all your boards and Trello tools. Once you are on the home page, go ahead and click on the Login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. This will prompt you to enter your login details. You have the option to log in using your email or your Google account. Feel free to choose whichever method suits you best. Once you've successfully logged in, you're going to head over to your board section. You'll find this by clicking on the boards link in the main navigation menu. Now take a moment to locate the section titled Your Workspaces. This is where all your boards across different projects are organized so you can easily navigate between them. Now go ahead and click on the specific board you wish to copy. Once you've entered the board, you'll be able to see all your cards, lists, and any ongoing activities. At this point, you need to focus on the top right corner of your screen for those three dots. Click on them. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select the option that says Copy Board. Next, it's time to name your new board. Think of a name that will clearly distinguish it from your original. This step is particularly helpful when managing multiple boards with similar structures. Clear naming will save you a lot of trouble down the line. After naming your board, you'll need to select the workspace where you want your new board to reside. This is where your organizational preference comes into play, as choosing the right workspace ensures you keep related boards together. As you're making a copy, you'll have a few additional options to customize what gets copied over. You'll see checkboxes allowing you to keep cards and to keep template cards. If you want a full replica of your board, make sure both these options are checked. Finally, with all your choices set, click on Create. And there you have it. Your duplicated board will now appear in the selected workspace ready for you to use. Duplicating a Trello board is a handy feature that saves time when managing similar projects or creating templates, and I hope this guide makes the process seamless for you. Thanks for watching and happy Trelloing.